In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on DeepSeek. And the first thing you need to do is you need to be sure that you have your app installed on your device. So on your iOS or Android device, basically download the app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And once you have done this, then you will have the app on your phone just like me. And to create an account, we are going to click on the app. And in here, it will ask us to prompt an email or a phone number with a password in order to log in. And if you don't have an account yet, you can basically sign in with Google or sign in with Apple. Well, I'm going to log in with my email address. So I'm going to click on sign up at the middle right. And in here, we can basically prompt an email address, choose a password, and we need to be sure that we can receive a code with our email address. So right now I'm going to fill in my details and I will come back to you once I have filled everything in. So I filled everything in, and once you are done with creating your account, so you have your link and your email address verified with the code, then you will be taken into this screen. And this is basically the main screen where you can basically send messages to DeepSeek and basically start using the app. If you are having problems with setting up your email address when you are doing the same way I did it, so with clicking sign up and then using an email address, so not with Google or Apple, and if this is not working, then I would advise to try it with an Apple ID or with a Google account, because when you do it like this, it will work almost for sure. So that is something you can do when your own email address doesn't work. So in this video, I showed you how to create an account for DeepSeek. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like if it did and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.